Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Akil Ali, and congratulations if you made it to this page. That means you're ready to get started with my econ and join Team Living Surreal. So what you want to do is you're going to click on this button right here. It says Get Started, and that's going to bring you to the online enrollment process. Now, right here, you should see the your sponsor's name, and more than likely, it's going to be the person's name that brought you to this video. But occasionally, guys, we do help out our teammates by giving them people, so it may be someone else's name right here. If it is not the person that brought you to this video, make sure you verify with that individual, that there is a different name here, and they may let you know that they're helping out someone on the team. That doesn't mean anything. That means we're still going to help you. The same person that's signing you up is still going to help you succeed in this. It's just sometimes occasionally we sign people up underneath other people so that they can make more money. So again, if you do not see the person that brought you to this video name right here, make sure you verify with them before you move forward. All right, so after you verified everything, you're going to click continue. And here's where you start the online enrollment process. Now here, pretty much everything right here is pretty much self-explanatory. First name, middle initial, last name. Right here, you're going to enter your social security number, or if you have an actual business LLC, you're going to enter your EIN. Now here's the thing. The only reason why your social security number is required is because this is a real business, guys. We do file taxes, and the government has to be informed just like if you was working any other job. Now, again, your information here, your personal information is confidential. Myself or no one else sees your personal information. Same thing with myself when I signed up. Trust me, I made sure because I know that's some very confidential information. So nobody sees our personal information. So you can be assured by that. All right, so next is the spouse. You can pretty much skip this section. Next is your mailing address, pretty much self-explanatory. Shipping address, you can click here if it's the same as the mailing. Right here, your phone number and email, pretty much self-explanatory. And then down here, you're going to get the marketing system. Make sure you initial right here. That's all you should be paying. Down here, you're going to leave that blank because we don't have any coupon codes at the moment. Down here, you're going to see the $24 one-time enrollment fee for the training manual. Do not get that, guys, because we train our team for free. You do not need this, okay? And down here, you're going to choose your username. Myself, I chose my first and last name. And it's really that simple, guys. Once you do that, you're going to click continue, and you're ready to be processed. After you're done with all of that, make sure you reach back out to the person that got you started so we can get you added to our group and get you to training so you can get the ball rolling. That way you can start making some money like the rest of us. With that being said, guys, congratulations. Welcome to the team. I'll see you on the inside. Peace.